In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Hello, how dear friends, how are you? Fantastic, mashallah, very good feedback. Right, we're going to start today's class, lecture number 4, contractions. Contractions means short forms, the forms which are used in day-to-day conversation and everyday discussion as well. So today's keywords are, actually the main keyword of today is going to be about would, he would, he'd, she would, she'd, it would, it'd, he would, we would, we'd, they would, they'd, you would, you'd, I would, I'd, I would rather, I'd rather, who would, who'd, and would not, wouldn't. So these are the key words today, actually key contractions rather. So there are some sentences we have made using all these contractions. The very important question is, what's the difference between will and would? Both can be, actually the big major difference is will is used in the for the future, and would is used for the past. Number one, that's a major difference. The second difference is actually will is used for general events in the future, and would is used for the specific events in the future. खास मौकों के लिए would को इस्तेमाल करेंगे फ्यूचर में, और आम बिलुमुम तमाम वाक़यात के लिए फ्यूचर में will को इस्तेमाल करेंगे. That's the major difference. All right. So today we are not actually having the lecture about would. It's only the contraction of would which we have used. So it's going to be the first one. He would, he'd. He would, he'd. My first sentence is, he'd move abroad for higher education. वो आला तालीम के लिए बैरून मुल्क जाएगा. Now, in action from your side, any more sentences?
He'd move Canada for immigration.
He'd move to Canada for immigration. Any more sentences, please? Oh, silence from your side. This is really...
He would often go hiking.
He'd often go for the high tea. अच्छा, उर्दू में इस्तेमाल के लिए जैसे आप गा गी गे का इस्तेमाल करते हैं विल के लिए, वैसे ही आप इसको ट्रांसलेट करते हुए वुड को करेंगे गा गी गे का इस्तेमाल फ्यूचर के लिए. सिर्फ खास मौकों के लिए वुड और बिलुमुम तमाम वाकयात के लिए विल का इस्तेमाल करती हैं. So make your sentences by using would. For example, he'd move abroad for education. He'd invite the guests at home. वो घर में मेहमानों को दावत देगा. He'd. Please make more sentences by using he'd.
He's going to take some.
Not he is going to. He would. He would. You are using the first form of the verb after would. Gee. I'm talking about he would. He'd be there on time. वो वहां वक्त पर होगा. He'd surprise you in the exam. वो exam में आपको surprise करेगा at the time of result actually. He'd mint money in the future. वो मुस्तकबिल में पैसे बनाएगा. पैसे छापेगा in fact होता mint money. It mint money in the future. All right. So make your more sentences by using she would, she'd do me a favor. वो मेरे साथ एक नेकी वाला मामला करेगी. वो मुझे एक favor देगी. She would do me a favor. Any more sentences?
She'd cook biryani.
She'd cook biryani today. वो आज बिरयानी पकाएगी. Anything or?
She'd come fast.
She'd come past. Okay, she'll make pasta. She'll arrange a party pretty soon. वो बहुत जल्दी एक party का इंतजाम करेगी. Right? Any more sentences, please?
She'd help me in studies.
She'd help me in the studies. वो मेरी तालीम में मेरी मदद करेगी.
She'd invite me on dinner today.
She'd invite me on dinner today or tonight.
She'd look nice with me.
She'd look nice with me. वो मेरे right. बड़े future plan, बड़े dreamy बन रहे हो. All right. Anyway, she should look nice with me. She would look fantastic in bob hair. जब आप imagine कर रहे होते हैं तब भी आप would का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. would के बहुत सारे uses हैं. We'll conduct a separate lecture about would. Actually, हम today we are just talking about the contractions which are of the would. would की contractions का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं. She would look fantastic in bob cut. वो bob cut में बहुत अच्छी लगेगी. You know, imagining about her cutting. So, she'd. The next one is going to be about it would. It'd be a good experience. ये एक अच्छा तजुर्बा रहेगा. It'd be a fantastic exercise. ये जबरदस्त exercise रहेगी. It'd favor you a lot. ये एक चीज आपको बहुत favor करेगी. It'd bring the wonderful results. ये शानदार results लेकर आई कोई चीज. It actually you using for बेजान चीज नॉन लिविंग आइटम्स के लिए इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं आप इधर. राइट.
It would be fixed here.
इट वुड बी
Fixed here.
इट वुड बी फिक्स हियर. वुड के बाद बी थर्ड फॉर्म इस्तेमाल किया है. इट वुड बी फिक्स्ड हियर फॉरएवर.
It will be helpful.
इट विल बी हेल्पफुल. ये बहुत ही मुफीद होगा या होगी कोई चीज. इट और वीड लाइक टू ऑर्डर फूड नाउ. हम फूड ऑर्डर करना चाहेंगे अब. अभी हम फूड को ऑर्डर करेंगे. वीड लाइक टू ऑर्डर. वीड लाइक टू गो टू द सी साइड. वुड लाइक टू गो टू द सी साइड दिस आफ्टरनून. हम आफ्टरनून पे सी साइड पे जाना चाहेंगे. साहिल समंदर पर जाना चाहेंगे. राइट. एनीथिंग एल्स प्लीज. वीड
We'd like to stay at home.
We'd like to stay at home and watch TV. हम घर में ठहरेंगे और टेलीविजन देखेंगे.
Let's go Murray next month.
We'd go to Murray next month. अगले महीने बहुत snowfall होने की chances हैं. So we go to Murray next month, okay?
We'd like to eat biryani together.
We'd like to eat. बहुत common इस्तेमाल होता है. We'd like to eat the barbecue from barbecue tonight on Kusuri Road near Malam Road. So we're like, उनके इश्तहार नहीं करना उनका, sorry. So we're like, that was a wonderful barbecue range. So we'd like to have barbecue tonight. We'd like to.
We'd like to indulge in shopping.
We like to have the shopping. Indulge doesn't seem appropriate here. So we like to have shopping tonight. आज रात हम shopping के लिए जाएंगे. So the use of would and will is similar in translation. By translating it into Urdu. उर्दू में translate करें तो एक ही sense बनती है. Will actually आप use करते हैं for general events and would use करते हैं for specific events. All right. We'd. They would date. Date satisfy their customers. वो अपने customers को satisfy करेंगे. Right?
They would be very happy.
They'd be very happy there in the village. वो गांव में बहुत खुश होंगे. In the countryside में बहुत खुश होंगे. They'd be satisfied there. Date.
They would be there on time.
They'd be there on time. वो वहां वक्त पर पहुंचेंगे या वक्त पर होंगे वहां. They'd be there on time. They'd start their new business. वो अपना एक नए कारोबार का आगाज करेंगे. They'd bring some gifts for us from the market, from abroad. Market से या abroad से कुछ नए gifts लाएंगे हमारे लिए. All right, date and then you'd start a new business. तुम एक नए कारोबार का आगाज करोगे. You'd surprise everybody in the meeting by speaking English, and everybody would ask you about your English language skill, and you would tell that this is only genius which has brushed up my English, and I'm today a fantastic speaker. So you'd surprise everybody in the meeting. आप meeting में हर एक को surprise करोगे. Okay, you would. Anything else from your side, please?
Come with me.
You'd come with me. तुम मेरे साथ आओगे. You can't go with anybody else. तुम किसी और के साथ नहीं जा सकते. You'd come with me. Right. Anything else?
You would play cricket with me.
अच्छा, एक would you का बहुत इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Would you. You would तो करते हैं. Should. Would you को फिर पढ़ते हैं. Would you. All right. Would you play cricket with me? Would you play cricket with? क्या तुम मेरे साथ क्रिकेट खेलोगे? Would you play? Not would you play. Would you play cricket with me? क्या तुम्हारे साथ क्रिकेट खेलोगे? Would you support me in my decisions? क्या आप मेरे फैसलों में मेरी मदद करोगे? Would you like to give me some favors? Would you spend some quality time with me? क्या मेरे साथ कुछ quality time गुजारेंगे? Would you? Okay, the next one is I'd prefer coffee to tea. मैं कॉफी को तरजीह दूंगा चाय के ऊपर. Not prefer. I prefer coffee to tea. मैं कॉफी को तरजीह दूंगा चाय के ऊपर. I'd prefer tea to coffee. मैं चाय को तरजीह दूंगा कॉफी के ऊपर. I'd prefer going to the seaside this afternoon. मैं इस afternoon में सारे समुद्र पर जाने को तरजीह दूंगा. I prefer sit at home and watch television. मैं घर बैठूंगा और टेलीविजन देखूंगा. I prefer watching all cricket matches. Who's a big fan of cricket, please, amongst you? Who's a big fan of cricket? Hello? All of you guys. Girls as well. In the past, sports were the prerogative only of the boys. They used to like sports, but these days girls are also taking interest in cricket and all the sports. That's great. I like it. All right. The next one is I'd like to go to the cinema tonight. मैं आज रात सिनेमा जाना चाहूंगा. I'd spend a lot of money on you if you go with me. अगर आप मेरे साथ जाओ मैं आप साथ बहुत सारे पैसे खर्च करूंगा. So I'd और I'd like to बहुत इस्तेमाल होता है. I like to have dinner at Pearl Continental Hotel, the candlelight dinner. Oh my God. So anybody who is interested in going to PC with me, free of cost, जब जाना चाहेगा मेरे साथ PC में डिनर करने के लिए, कौन free of cost, please? Anybody? बस मैं यही कहूंगा कि शर्म आनी चाहिए आपको. Oh my goodness. No, we'll sometimes in future gonna arrange a trip as well, inshallah, either to Pearl Continental Hotel or Avari Hotel or any place which is worthwhile. All right, so let's go to the next word. I'd rather means I'd rather have tea. मैं चाय को तरजीह दूंगा. I'd rather means I prefer. I'd rather का मतलब क्या होता है? I'd prefer. मैं तरजीह दूंगा. I'd rather go to the cinema tonight. मैं तरजीह दूंगा सिनेमा जाने को आज रात. I'd rather
stay close to my family.
I'd rather stay close to my family. Excellent. Conversation का फायदा हो रहा है आपको जो आपने प्रैक्टिस की है. I'd rather stay close to my family. मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ के पास रहने को तरजीह दूंगा. I'd rather go to masjid for offering my prayers. कि मैं आप मस्जिद को जाने में तरजीह दूंगा अपनी नमाज की अदायगी के लिए. I'd rather
cook biryani.
You are big fan of biryani only, You are talking about biryani. कोई यखनी पुलाव, मटन पुलाव की बात भी कर लें. People also like a variety of foods. Anyway, okay, fine, thank you. So, I'd rather मैं तरजीह दूंगा. Who would make the dinner? Dinner कौन बनाएगा?
Who'd stay at home?
Who'd stay at home? घर में कौन ठहरेगा? Who'd give me the solution of my problem? मेरे मसले का हल कौन देगा? Who'd move abroad for further higher education? आला तालीम के लिए बैरून मुल्क कौन जाएगा? Anything else?
Who would help me in studies?
Who will help me in the kitchen? मेरी किचन में मदद कौन करेगा? Alright, he'll be helping in the studies. मेरी तालीम में कौन मदद करेगा? Who will be the winner of the World Cup, man? World Cup final. दिल के बहलाने को खालिब ये ख्याल अच्छा है. पाकिस्तान दिल तो ये चाहता है लेकिन पाकिस्तान देख भी लेना मामलात सारे कैसे चल रहे हैं. Anyway, wishing for the best. All right, so would. The next word is after would. Would not. The contraction of would not. इसको एक तो wouldn't भी बोल सकते हैं और won't in fast, fluent spoken English में won't. I won't support this political party. मैं इस political party को support नहीं करूँगा. I wouldn't.
I won't go to the beach.
I wouldn't go to the beach. I wouldn't have the dinner with you tonight. आज रात आपके साथ डिनर नहीं करूँगा. You wouldn't stay here at home. आप घर में यहाँ ठहरोगे नहीं. We wouldn't make another plan. हम एक और प्लान नहीं बनाएंगे. They wouldn't support the helpless. वो बेयारो मददगार जो लोग उनकी मदद नहीं करेंगे. Right. Muslim Ummah wouldn't help the Palestine. फलस्तीन की मदद नहीं करेगी. But you know, we can see that. बड़े बड़े tall claims तो मौजूद है, लेकिन प्रैक्टिकल सपोर्ट का बहुत फुकदा नजर आता है. यूनानिमस आवाज होनी चाहिए उनकी सपोर्ट के हवाले से. Anyway, wouldn't नहीं करूंगा. Oh, I wouldn't, you wouldn't, they wouldn't. जी.
Attend the ceremony.
I wouldn't attend the ceremony. मैं ceremony attend नहीं करूंगा. I wouldn't attend the wedding party, the birthday party. नहीं attend करूंगा. Wouldn't. I wouldn't marry her. मैं उससे शादी नहीं करूंगा. Well, she wouldn't marry you. वो इनकार कर देगी. आप क्या इनकार करेंगे? So you wouldn't, I wouldn't, they wouldn't. Anything else? Thank you very much, everybody, for attending this language class of contractions, and I hope it would have benefited everybody here in the class and the people who are going to view this video on YouTube channel of ours, Genius Institute Lahore. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for all, and like, comment and share the videos. Clapping for everybody here in the class, please.